So this is my new router I bought. It's called the TPlink and the model number is TL-WR940N. I got it from Amazon and I paid around 1100 rupees with 250 rupees cashback. So this is how it looks if I remove the plastic. The antennas are really huge compared to my old router, and this router is a MIMO certified router. So as you can see over here, they are a 5 decibel antennas. They're really good for long range, extended range, and if you can see, let me find it out. These are MIMO technology. So if you can read over here, so it really helps you strengthen your wireless signal. So definitely always go for the MIMO wireless. So the old one I had a white color, so I wanted to go for a different color, and this one is like a dark black color, so that's why I went for it. These are the antennas. They're quite big, and is the branding over here. And if you flip it out, you can definitely wall mount it. No, you cannot. I'm not sure if you can wall mount it, but this is how the under the router, and these are the ports. So from the left it's power, you have your on off, reset, WPS, your internet, WAN, and all your LAN connections. So I hope this new router really works well. So this is what you get in the box. So there's the manual, some paper pamphlet, how to set up your router. So it's a quick installation guide. So it will be like a basic installation on this. You also get an app from TPlink, so you can configure and you can see who are connected, and you can change some settings from the app. This is the router itself. I'll keep it on the side. This is quite big compared to my old 720N TP-Link. So this is how it looks. You get a patch cord, a LAN cable to configure your router, and a power adapter. So it's just the regular power adapter. So I also have the same power adapter on my old router.